Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your baby boy ng Bacolod and fellow music and K-pop stan, Andre Martin. And for today's episode, we'll be reacting to Runaway music video by Twice's Maknae or baby girl Chewy. So this is her solo debut and yung music video lang yung i-react natin. I'm so excited kasi honestly, like even me and my once besties didn't expected na siya yung next na magso-solo. We really thought Jonghyun or even like a Dubcheng subunit, Subunit. Pero okay, let's go. Let's support Miss Ma'am. Hindi ko pinapanood yung mga teasers, pero kung napanood yun man mga like 2 seconds lang, then skip agad. So without further ado, let's go and dive into the video and react to it. Okay, here we go. Chewy with Runaway, Runaway, Runaway. Ganda! Angelo, agawin ko to. Eme. It sounds familiar, ha? Ay! Ooh! Taray, lakas maka 2000s pop. Bakit hindi pinapakita yung lalaki? Ay. Oh. In fairness, ganda, suits her voice. Run away. Takbo. Period. Ganda. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Ganda. Ano nangyayari? Ooh. In fairness, ang ganda ng ang bagay yung song for her. And I'm really happy na ang ganda ng confidence niya for this solo. Ooh, the set. Parang Met. Saan ba to? Ooh. Once we better stream the fuck out of this. Deserve ni Chewy kahit isang win. Sobrang nostalgic naman yung sound. Kung very Y2K yung kay Nayeon, ito para mga early 2010s na mga pop dance track. Parang Kylie Minogue-ish if you're familiar, guys. Or if you get the reference. Ganda. Okay. Oh my god. Way to go, Chewy. I can't wait to listen to the whole album. Ang ganda ng visuals and like the overall packaging ng About You. So I can't wait. Hopefully I have enough time to like react to the whole album. Let's just see. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Follow me on TikTok. I'm very much active there. And yeah, thank you again so much. I know it's been a long time since I've done a reaction video. Sobrang busy lang lately. Ang daming nangyayari. But thank you for those who will be watching and supporting. So yes, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe and peace out. Run away!